Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. I know it's been a while since y'all seen me post anything. I was in a bad accident week before Thanksgiving and hadn't been able to go back to work yet, and just really hadn't been able to get out and do a whole lot. But I'm recovering. So I know y'all seen these mics before. These lapel, what are they called? Lavalier mics. That's what they call them. This is my old set. I've had them for about a year. They still work. They work good. I've got it on my old Stylus 5G phone. Got to use the audio jack because it don't work with the type C. But the set I'm going to test today be using on my new Stylus 5G phone. They are lavalier mics also. They come in this spiffy rechargeable case. You got the receiver and two mics. You probably can't see it, but right here, right there is a digital readout that tells you how charged the case is. This case is at 98% charge. So let's hook these things up and see how they work. All right. Still got my old mic on for this phone. Got my new mic on for this phone. Now, what I'm going to do with this test, I hope y'all can hear me fine, is I've got marks for 200 feet down my driveway. Got them every 10 foot. What we're probably going to do is I'll call out every 20 foot how far away I am. So let's get started. All right, this is 20 foot. Still talking in normal voice, walking away. This is going to be 40 foot. $60 car just passed. $80. This is 100 feet. Now, if you'll remember, if you watched my other video, if you didn't, stay tuned till the end of this video, and there'll be a link for it pop up on the screen. 120 foot. Only done up to 165 foot. 140 foot. Am I still coming in good and clear? 160 foot. Can you see me down here? $180 foot. I've done surpassed the distance with my old mics. And this is 200 feet. This is all the distance I'm getting right now, because I'm obviously coming up on the deer trail. But if you can see that, I have got tracks coming through the deer trail. So I need to pick this stuff up so I don't scare my deer off. Baby dog, baby, what are you tracking? So there you have it. 200 foot radius or distance. I hope the sound's still good and clear. I'm just talking at a normal voice. Maybe it is. Toting my selfie stick. Now, I'm going to leave this mic turned on. I'm going to hang it on this tree. Can you hear me now? The other mic is turned on back there on that tree. This mic is turned on. So you can use both of these mics at the same time. Say you're doing an interview or two of you are out doing something and you're recording. You know, that way you can pick up audio for two people. They do have them in a 4-pack. I got the 2-pack. I forgot how much I paid for them. I'll put the price right up here. They're good mics. I've been using them for a couple of months now. Haven't had any complaints out with them. I'll definitely be buying more of them. I feel like the audio is a little bit clearer with the new mic than it was with the old mic. But I'll let y'all be the judge of that. Like I said, if you didn't see the other video for these mics, I wear my mics on my hat. If you didn't see the other video for these mics with this receiver, the link it'll pop up on the screen here at the end of the video. Sure appreciate y'all watching. I hope this review helps you out. I really like these mics. If it does, hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you use. Let me know if you think you might buy some of these. Yeah, I don't get nothing for it. This is just something I like to do. I bought them from Temu. I love buying cheap stuff and seeing if it works. But y'all drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. We got more videos coming up. Not going to be the same stuff. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting out and going fishing at the moment. Got a couple hunting trips planned. Some hog trips, coyote trips, deer trips. So maybe we'll get them videos put up here pretty soon. I appreciate y'all sticking with me and watching. This is Pawpaw saying, y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time.